today I wanted to do something just a little bit different and do a voiceover for this video. I wanted to say hello to my new subscribers and everybody who's watching my videos. I also wanted to say a big good luck and stay safe to everyone out there. These are really hard times at the moment and I know everyone's doing it tough, so I wish everybody out there all the best. Okay guys, so in this video what I'm doing is pouring over a previously used canvas. What had happened was I'd done a paint pour and I really didn't like the result of it, and I knew it straight away, so while the paint was still wet I scraped it off the top of the canvas. And you can see here that I'm doing a new pour now and everything is turning out fine. If you let it dry you can easily just do another pour over the top and it looks brand new. So if you guys do a paint pour that you don't like, you can scrape it off and reuse your canvas. Once again, thanks to everyone for watching my video, and all the best to everyone out there. Stay safe and good luck.